Today's session we can discuss chapter number 2, fractions and decimals, problems of exercise 2.1. Here there are total 7 questions in first main. You can solve one by one in this. So here first question is given 2 minus 3 by 5. Here denominator of this 2 is not given, that should be considered as a 1. So here 1 and 5 are the denominators of the given fractions. So here I have to find LCM. So 1 into 5 is the 5. So then to get 5 should multiply this 1 from 5. So 1 5 are 5 and 5 1 are 5. From which number we are multiplying, those should be multiplied to numerator now. So that 5 into 2 is 10 and this 3 into 1 is 3. So 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Okay, this 5 denominator will be remain same, which is the LCM. So 7 by 5, least form of this 1 2 by 5, because we dividing this numerator from denominator. So 5 ones are 5, you will get, in 7 you subtracting 5, you will get remainder is 2, that should be written in numerator. So solution for first problem is 1 2 by 5. So next we move for question number 2. 4 plus 7 by 8 is equal to 32 plus 7 by 8. Here we get LCM is 8, then 8, here 4 denominator is 1, so 1 into 8 is equal to 8 and 8 into 1 is equal to 8. So this 4 into 8 should multiply, so 4 8s are 32 and 7 into 1 will be 7. So 32 plus 7 is 39 divided by 8, which is the LCM. We can write in a denominator place. So 32 plus 7 is 39 divided by 8. So 39 divided by 8 become 4 7 by 8. Here 8 4s are 32 plus 7 is 39 by 8. So divide this 39 from 8, that quotient will get 4 and the remainder will get 7, that divides this 8 we can write in denominator place. So it will be 4 7 by 8. Next we can move for question number 3, which is given 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7 is equal to LCM of these co-prime numbers 5 and 7 is 35. So then we can multiply this 5 into 7 35 and 7 into 5 will get 35. So from that 7 we multiply this numerator, 3 7s are 21 and these 2 5s are 10. So sum of these two numerators is 31. So denominator LCM you got now 35, you can write in denominator place. So 31 by 35. Next we can move for question number 4, which is given 4 by 11 minus 4 by 15. So LCM for denominators are 165. So 11 ones are 11. So here 15 into 11 is 165. How will get? 15 ones are 15, 5 you can write unit place and 1 carry to 10 place. So 15 ones are 15, once again 15 plus that 1 carry will be 16. So we got finally 165 is the LCM. So these 11 and 15 are the co-prime numbers, as well we explained in online class, should remember that. So then here 9 into 15 is 135 and 4 into 11 is 44. So in between these two fractions there is a negative sign, so you have to find out difference of these two numerators. 135 minus 44 is 91 divided by 165. Next we can solve question number 5, which is given 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Here LCM will get 10. Then we are going to multiply this numerator by those LCM. So here 10 into 1 is equal to 10. So 5 into 2 is equal to 10 and 2 into 5 is equal to 10. So from those we should multiply to numerator. 7 into 1 is 7 and 2 into 2 is 4 and 3 into 5 is 15. So sum of these three numerators is 26 by 10. 10 is the LCM, we can write in denominator place. So the least form of this 26 by 10 is 13 by 5. Here we cancelling this 10 from 2. 2 5s are 10 and 2 13s are 26. So 13 by 5 is the answer. If you want to write this in simple form, so you can divide this numerator from denominator. So here 5 2s are 10 will get, so 2 is the whole number which will get in quotient, that will be written in whole number place, and remainder will get 3, that will be in numerator place, and the divisor 5 we should write in denominator place. 2 3 by 5. Next we can solve question number 6. So given question is 2 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2, that should be convert into improper fraction. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. So 8 by 3 we got first fraction, and the conversion of second mixed fraction is 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7 by 2. In this case we are able to convert this mixed fraction to improper by multiplying whole number into denominator plus numerator. So we should multiply this whole number into the denominator. The product should be add to numerator, then we will get converting this mixed to improper. So we got two fraction here, 8 by 3 plus 7 by 2. So LCM for these two, 3 and 2 is 6, because these 3 and 2 are the co-prime numbers. As well I said in online class, here 3 and 2 are the co-prime numbers because they are only dividing one and themselves. So 3 2s are 6 will get. So then here 3 into 2 is 6 and 2 into 3 is 6. So you should imagine we multiply this 3 from 2. So should multiply this 8 to that 2. 8 2s are 16 and 7 3s are 21. So you should add these two numerators which are 16 and 21. The sum will get 37. So 37 by 6. The simple form of this is 6 1 by 6. Next we can take a seventh problem, which is 8 1 by 2 minus 3 5 by 8. So first convert this mixed to improper. 8 2s are 16 plus 1 is 17 by 2 and 8 3s are 24 plus 5 is 29 by 8. So here in between this negative sign is there and the denominators are different. So 1 is the multiple of another number, 2 and 8 is there, then its LCM is 8. So here 2 4s are 8 and here 8 1s are 8. So should multiply this 17 by 4, no, 17 4s are 68, 29 1s are 29. So we got numerators are 68 minus 29, their difference is 39. So LCM write in the denominator place, which is 8. So 39 divided by 8 we got here. So 39 is more than denominator 8. So divide this numerator from denominator, then 8 4s are 24 plus 7, which will be 39 by 8. So we get when you dividing 39 from 8, we get quotient is 4 and remainder is 7. So the denominator will be 8 here. So we can move for question number 2. Arrange the following in descending order of the following problems. So there are two problems in this given. Solve one by one. So first question is given 2 by 9, 2 by 3, 8 by 21. So then here the LCM for denominators is 63. So 9 sevens are 63 and 3 21s are 63 and 21 3s are 63. So from those numbers we are going to multiply by numerators. So 2 into 7 is 14 and 2 into 21 is 42 and this 8 into 3 is 24. So we got fractions 14 by 63, 42 by 63 and 24 by 63. So these are the like fractions. To convert this like fraction we are equalizing the denominators. Okay. So then in next step we are arranging this like fraction in descending order. So arrange in descending order. So when you are arranging in descending order, we write a biggest number first and then smaller numbers. So in this, out of 3 fractions, 42 by 63 is the biggest number, and then second one is 24 by 63 and third one is 14 by 63. So we wrote in descending order, which is written as 42 by 63 is greater than 24 by 63 is greater than 14 by 63. So actually here 42 by 63 means in this given fractions 2 by 3, so which is the greater one, 2 by 3, and then second one is 24 by 63, which is in the given is 8 by 21. So second place we should write 8 by 21, and last one is 14 by 63, which is in the given fraction is 2 by 9. So 2 by 9 we should write. So therefore 2 by 3 is greater than 8 by 21 is greater than 2 by 9. Like this we are going to solve second problem, which is given 1 by 5 comma 3 by 7 comma 7 by 10. So here LCM will get 70. So 5 14s are 70 and then 7 10s are 70 and 10 7s are 70. So here we multiply from 14. So 14 into 1 is 14 and 10 into 3 is 30 and here 7 into 7 is 49. So here converting into a like fraction, which are the given fraction here. So then by help of this denominators we are going to write in descending order. So in this, out of 3 fractions 49 by 70 is the biggest one, so 14 by 70 first write, and second place 30 by 70 and third one is 14 by 70. So actually here 14 by 70 means 7 by 10, which is the biggest one, and then 30 by 70, which is the here in the given 3 by 7, it is the second one, and last one 14 by 70, which is given in this 1 by 5. So therefore 7 by 10 is greater than 3 by 7 is greater than 1 by 5. In question number 3, given question is in a magic square the sum of numbers in each row, in each column and along diagonals is the same. Is this a magic square? So here 4 by 11, 9 by 11 and 2 by 11 is the first row, and then 3 by 11, 5 by 11 and 7 by 11 is the second row, 8 by 11, 1 by 11 and 6 by 11 is the third row. Then 4 by 11, 3 by 11 and 8 by 11 is the first column, 9 by 11, 5 by 11 and 1 by 11 is the second column, 2 by 11, 7 by 11 and 6 by 11 is the third column. So from left to right, 8 by 11, 5 by 11 and 2 by 11 is the first diagonal. Then here 4 by 11, 5 by 11 and 6 by 11 is the second diagonal. So here they given example along the first row, which is 4 by 11 and 9 by 11 and 2 by 11. Their sum is 15 by 11. So the sum of first row, which is 4 by 11 plus 9 by 11 plus 2 by 11 is equal to 15 by 11 because the denominators are same. So we can call these as a like fractions. So when in the like fraction we can add numerators directly. So 4 plus 9 is 13, 13 plus 2 is 15. So 15 by 11 which already given in question. Next we can move for sum of second rows. Here 3 by 11 is there, plus 5 by 11 is there, and 7 by 11 in the second row. Here also denominator is same, only add the numerators. So sum of this 3 plus 5 plus 7 is 15 by 11. So then the sum of third rows which are given 8 by 11 plus 1 by 11 plus 6 by 11. So the sum of numerator in this 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 5 is 15 by 11. So sum of first column, here 4 by 11 plus 3 by 11 plus 8 by 11 is equal to 11, which is the denominator remains same. The numerators are 4 plus 3 plus 8. The sum of these three is 15. So 15 by 11. Then we can move for second column. In the second column they are given 9 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 1 by 11. So sum of these three numerators, which is 9 plus 5 plus 1, is again 15 by 11. So sum of third column 2 by 11 plus 7 by 11 plus 6 by 11. Here sum of these three numerators are 2 plus 7 plus 6. So 2 plus 7 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 by 11 is the sum of third column. Then the sum of first diagonal left to right. So 4 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 6 by 11. Again here denominator will be 11 only. The sum of these three numerators are 4 plus 5 plus 6 is 15 by 11. Then we can take a sum of second diagonals which are left to right. 2 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 8 by 11. Here again denominator will be 11 only. The sum of these three numerators, which are 2 plus 5 plus 8, will be 15. So by observing these all values are sum of all these rows, columns and diagonals, we got here 15 by 11. So since the sum of fractions in each row, in each column and along the diagonals are same, therefore it is a magic square. So next we move for question number 4. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. So here we have to use a perimeter of the rectangle formula. First we can write a given. In the given, the sheet of a paper is in rectangular form and its length is 12 1 by 2 centimeter, which is given here, and breadth is 10 2 by 3 centimeter. In this, long means a length and wide means a breadth. So we know the formula. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Substitute the values. Here length is given 12 1 by 2 plus a breadth is given 10 2 by 3. So convert this mixed to improper. 12 into 2 is 24 plus 1 25 by 2, and 10 into 3 is 30. 30 plus 2 is 32 by 3. So this 2 remains same. So then here 2 and 3 are the unlike numbers. So we should find the LCM for this. In this unlike fractions, the 2 and 3 are the denominators. These two are co-prime numbers. So product of these two is 6. So then 2 into 3 is equal to 6 and 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So from those numbers we multiply numerators, like 25 into 3 plus 32 into 2. So 2 remains same. So next step, 2 we can write as it is. 25 3s are 75 and 32 2s are 64 divided by 6 here. So then a sum of this 75 and 64 is 139. So 2 into 139 by 6, and then here 2 and 6 will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 3s are 6. So 139 by 3 remain. Divide this 139 from 3 here. So 3 4s are 12, in this 1 remain, then it will be 19, then 3 6 are 18, so 1 remain, that is the remainder. So we can write this 46 1 by 3 centimeter, which is the perimeter of the given rectangular sheet. So thus the perimeter of the rectangular sheet is 46 1 by 3 centimeter. So we can move for question number 5. So this question is a little bit important in this exercise. So find the perimeter of first question triangle ABE, and second question the rectangular BCDE in this figure, whose perimeter is greater. So we should find out perimeter of these two figures and compare to each other. So in this two figure, one is ABE is the triangle, another is BCDE is the rectangle. First we find the perimeter of the triangle. So you can take here in a triangle ABE, AB. So this is AB, its length is given 5 by 2 centimeter, and then BE. So BE, its length is given 3 by 4 centimeter, and next AE, its length given 3 by 5 centimeter. Okay, so we know the formula. The perimeter of a triangle is equal to side plus side plus side. So in this, the perimeter of triangle ABE is equal to AB plus BE plus AE. So add these sides. So in this we can write 5 by 2 plus 2 3 by 4 plus 3 3 by 5 according to the given values. So then this 5 by 2 remains same. Convert this 2 3 by 4 mixed to improper. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 is 11 by 4, and here 5 3 is 15 plus 3 is 18 by 5. Next step, we have to add these fractions. Here denominators are different, so find the LCM for these denominators. 2 4 5. So LCM will get 20 here. Okay, so then here 2 10s are 20, and 4 5s are 20, and then 5 4s are 20. So we multiply 2 10s are, so 10 into 5 is 50, and here 4 5s are, so that 5 into 11 is 55, and here 5 4s are, 18 into 4 is 72. So here we got 50 plus 55 plus 72 divided by 20. So 50 plus 55 is 105. 105 plus 72 is 177 by 20 no. So divide this 177 from 20, then 8 17 by 20 will get. So that is the perimeter of the given triangle ABE, 8 17 by 20 centimeters. So next we move for second question. In a rectangle BCDE, BE is equal to 2 3 by 4 centimeter, ED is equal to 7 by 6 centimeter. So then a perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So see here in this question, BE is 2 3 by 4 centimeter and ED is 7 by 6 centimeter. Okay, we substituting that in values. 2 of 2 3 by 4 plus 7 by 6. So convert this mixed to improper. 4 to the 8 plus 3 is 11 by 4. So 2 into 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6. So then find the LCM for denominators. So LCM for 4 and 6 is 12. So here 4 3s are 12, then 11 3s are 33, then 6 2s are 12, that 7 into 2 is 14. So find the sum of these numerators. 33 plus 14 is 47. Here 2 and 12 get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 6 are 12. So 47 by 6 we got here. So divide this numerator from denominator. So then 7 whole 5 by 6 centimeter will get here, because 6 7s are 42. Then 5 remain, that 5 will be remainder, that should be written in numerator place. 7 is the quotient, that is the whole number, and 6 is the divisor. So we got here, thus the perimeter of the rectangle BCDE is 7/5/6 centimeter. So comparing the perimeter of a triangle and that of a rectangle. So triangle we got 8 17/20 centimeter and rectangle we got 7/5/6 centimeter. By comparing this, we can say that 18 17/20 centimeter is greater than the 7/5/6 centimeter. So here 8 is the whole number is greater than this 7 whole number. So therefore the perimeter of the triangle ABE is greater than the rectangle BCD. Next we move for question number 6. Salil wants to put the picture in the frame. The picture is 7 3/5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3/10 centimeter wide. How much should be the picture be trimmed? So according to given, the width of the picture is 7 3/5 centimeter and the width of the picture frame is 7 3/10 centimeter. So therefore the picture should be trimmed, which is according to given 7 3/5 minus 7 3/10. So here convert this mixed improper. 7 5s are 35 plus 3 is 38/5 minus 7 10s are 70 plus 3 is 73/10. So here LCM will get 10. 5 2s are 10, that's why 38 into 2 is 76 minus 10 ones are 10, so 73 into 1 is 73. The difference of these two is 3, then denominator will remain same. 3/10 centimeter is the, thus the picture should be trimmed by 3/10 centimeter. We can move for question number 7 now. Ritu ate 3/5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share by how much? So solution, the part of apple eaten by Ritu is equal to 3/5 and the part of apple eaten by Somu is equal to 1 minus 3/5. So here 1 not have any denominator, should consider 1 it is. So then LCM will get 5. So 1 into 5 is 5 and 5 into 1 is 5. So here 1 5s are 5 you wrote, no, so that 5 into 1 is 5 and here 5 into 1 is equal to 5, no, so that 1 into 3 is 3. So we got here 5 minus 3 divided by 5. So 5 minus 3 is 2/5. So comparing the parts, comparing the parts of apple eaten by both Ritu and Somu is equal to 3/5 is greater than 2/5. So larger share will be more by 3/5 minus 2/5 is equal to 1/5 part. Thus Ritu part is 1/5 more than the Somu part. Next we can move for question number 8 here. So Michael finished coloring a picture in 7/12 hours. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3/4 hours. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? So solution, time taken by Michael to color the picture is equal to 7/12 hours. Time taken by Vaibhav to color the picture is equal to 3/4 hours. So converting both fractions in like fractions. So first one is given 7/12. So here 3 into 3 divided by 4 into 3 is equal to 9/12. So 3/4 we are converting as a like fraction to compare this 7/12. So if you multiply both numerator and denominator by 3, then we get 9/12. So then here 7/12 is less than the 9/12 comparing the given fraction here. So here 7/12 is less than 3/4 according to given. Thus Vaibhav worked a longer time. Then Vaibhav worked a longer time by 3 by 4 minus 7 by 12. So 9 minus 7 divided by 12, because 4 3s are 12. No, from that 3 should multiply this numerator 3. So 3 3 is 9 minus 7 here. So then difference of these two is 2. So 2 by 12 become 1 by 6 hours. Thus Vaibhav took 1 by 6 hours more than Michael. So this is the exercise 2.1. Here to solve in classwork. Thank you.